Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig right here. And so if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, 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 I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
Okay love, so I know that this is a huge change for your girl. I done tried a couple of colors, but I've never tried yellow or mustard as this color is called. And so yeah, I decided I would try to give you guys something different. And so let's just jump right into all the deets of this unit. Okay love, so this unit is courtesy of wigtypes.com. They were kind enough to send your girl 2 units, I believe. And so this is one of the units. And so this unit is from Sensationnel. It's from their Dashley collection. And it says fast fashion meets hair. So I guess that's what the Dashley collection is all about. So this unit doesn't have a name. It's just called Lace Unit 2. So that's pretty interesting. And the color is T2 Mustard. And so just as some deets for you guys, it does come with a deep center part, which is what you see right here. And it also comes with baby hairs. And it is heat safe between 350 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So as far as the product details on the back, it basically just says it's ear-to-ear soft lace. It's made with heat resistant fiber. It's available in fashion forward colors, as you guys can see, and you can dress it up or dress it down. And this is what the stock card looks like. So the model is rocking it in T230. So if you guys were interested in that color. So now as far as my personal thoughts about this unit, upon picking this unit, I decided to go with this mustard yellow color because I don't think I've ever done yellow before. I've done quite a few different colors. I've done orange, blue, green, purples, pinks. Like I've done pretty much every color except for this mustard yellowy color. And so I decided, why not go ahead and give this color a chance? And I decided to do it for you guys, okay? I don't know if I could see myself walking down the street, well, not walking down the street, driving, or you know, attending church with this unit, but I do think that it's a cute unit on camera, let's just say that. So yeah, as far as it being on camera, I love the fact that it has dark roots and then it goes down into this mustard color. I do love the fact that it came with baby hairs. Although I did not need to use them, I chose not to use them because I felt like the part was pretty natural looking to where I didn't need baby hairs. So what I'm not a fan of is probably the shine on this unit. I do feel like it has more of a shine than I like, or more than I'm accustomed to. But I feel like it's doable. So I'm looking at the stock card and the models doesn't look like hers is super shiny like mine does, but I don't know, maybe they could have put some dry shampoo on hers. I'm not quite sure, but I just know that for me, this one is definitely picking up some shine, and it definitely kind of feels like a little silky, but I'm not mad at the texture of it. It's just that it does have a shine to it. So yeah, if I was to keep this unit, I definitely would probably put some like dry shampoo just to tone down the shine. But other than that, I think that this unit is actually a pretty gorgeous unit. As you can see, I can run my hands through it. I am getting a little bit of shedding. As you guys can see, it's just a few strands. So I actually brushed this unit and there's not many strands in my brush. So I feel like the shedding is not excessive. It's just a couple of strands. So I feel like it's not much that I can tell you guys about this unit other than the fact that it's weird, but it has like some little hairs that are sticking up right here. And actually it feels like the texture is different. So instead of it being like soft and silky smooth up top, it's actually pretty like rough and coarse. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, the only way I could possibly explain it is, you know when your mama used to straighten your hair when she used the hot comb, and if it was too hot it would sizzle your hair? That's what it kind of feels like up top. Like if they were trying to straighten it and then it sizzled, and that's what it feels like. But then when it gets past the black, then it gets silky smooth. So yeah, I'm not sure what that's all about, but just wanted to, you know, note that for you guys. Now, as far as if it's big head friendly, I definitely feel like I have more than enough room in this unit, so I would say it's big head friendly. And I would also say that it's beginner hair friendly because you didn't have to do much to it but cut the lace off and put this unit on your head, and that was pretty much it. I did put a little bit of powder in the parting space, but other than that, there was really not much for me to do to this unit, and that's why this video should probably be super quick. And so if you guys like this unit, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this color, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.
Darker than the ocean, deeper than the sea. You got everything, you got what I need. Touch me, you're electric, babe. Move me, take me from this place. Moving to the tempo, show me what it takes. Speeding up my heartbeat, playing the face. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe. Take me to outer space. Kiss me, we're on fire, babe.